Hi, Pug. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, Pug. Good evening. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Oh, you're fine. That's good to hear. And what is the weather there today, Pug?
It's cool.
Oh, it is cold. Is it rainy today? Raining?
No.
Oh, I see. And did you already eat your dinner today, Pug?
Yes.
What did you eat for dinner today, Pug?
It, it, rice cracker.
Oh, you eat rice crackers and duck legs. Is that what you eat? Okay, what is the rice cracker taste like, Cook?
It is uh, it is with
Oh, it is sweet, the rice cracker, I see. And um, did you play soccer today, Cook?
yes
Oh, I see that you play soccer today. And who is the person you are playing soccer today?
with my friend.
Oh, you play with your friend. And did you play on in the stadium?
Yes.
Oh, you play in the stadium today. And wow, can you share to me, Pook, what did you do all day today?
In the morning, I go to school and eat breakfast. Then I study and eat lunch, and I study English and go home, eat dinner and learn English.
Oh,
Um, Go to bed.
oh, so you will go to bed after learning today our lesson. So what time will you go to bed today, Pook?
8 o'clock.
Oh, I see. So you will be going bed at 10 o'clock. And did you also play badminton today?
Yes,
Oh, who are you playing badminton today, Pook?
with my parents.
Oh, so you play with your parents today. That's good to hear. And um and okay, so what time did you go to the stadium today, Pook?
It is 7 o'clock.
Oh, I see. So you go there the time. And also okay. So are you ready to start our lesson for today, Pook? I running out of question to ask today. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So here we are in our question 17. So last class you shared to me that you celebrate there that festival. So now let's answer this one. So can you read this book?
The your hometown city country have a college or university. Yes.
Okay, so how many college or university you know their book?
It is it is many.
Oh, so many. And did you know one name of a college or university there?
Mm, yes.
Okay, what is the name? I'm so curious. What's the name of your university there? Can you name one?
It is
Oh. Is this the Ruby School? Is it right?
Yes.
Oh, I see. This is the name of that college. And here in our 18th question, can you read this book?
Does your Hamza city country have any big supermarket? You to the shopping center. Can you get there?
Okay, first,
Yes.
oh, there is
I
so,
by the car.
oh, so you can get there by a car. So, how many supermarkets or mall do you have there, book?
It's two.
Oh, you have two
It's
supermarkets.
three. It's three. It's
Oh,
three.
it is three. And did you go all three, the three of them? Did you go there?
Yes.
Oh, I see. And do you know what is the name of the three supermarkets?
It is King King Food.
Okay, that's the first one. The second one, what is the name?
It it is
Oh, Copmate. Is that right? This is the second name.
yes.
Okay, and the third one, what is the name of the third supermarket? Oh, Diamontal Retail. I see. So that is the name of the supermarket you have there. And there also zoos there? Oh, zoo?
It's have one.
Oh, you have one. Is it big?
Yes.
Did you go there also?
Yes.
Oh, so how many animals you can see there? Book.
Is many.
Oh, many. So I see it's very big. That zoo. And what is your favorite animal that you see there, Book?
My favorite animal is lion because it's a king of the jungle and very strong.
Yes, I agree with you with that. That's correct. Lion is the king of the jungle. And next one, the theater. Do you have theater there, Book?
Yes.
How many theater do you have there?
It's one.
Oh, one. And did you already go there?
Yes.
And what movies did you watch there in the theater?
It's Doraemon.
Oh, you watched the Doraemon. And do you like the Doraemon watching there in the theater?
Okay.
Okay, I see. And here, do you have a shopping center there? Book?
Yes.
How many shopping center do you have there?
It's one.
Oh,
I two.
one. Oh, two. You have two there. And do you try to buy there in the shopping center?
Yes.
So what did you buy there in the shopping center, Book?
And I buy food.
Food? Did you buy food there?
Yes.
Oh, and did you try buying clothes?
No.
Oh, I see. And here, thank you for answering our number 18 book. So now let's proceed to our number 19. So can you read this?
Does your Honda City country have anyone shopping place?
Okay, here, can you read this again? This is antique. Can you say antique?
Antique.
Yes,
Antique.
that's correct. This is antique shopping.
Antique shopping.
Very good. So do you have a shop there that sold old things book? Like old plate, old desk, old table?
Yes.
Oh, you have two. So, is there many antique shop there?
Yes.
Okay. Did you try to go there po also?
Yes.
Oh, and did you buy there?
Yes.
Oh, what did you buy there po?
I buy many food and fruit.
Oh, I see. So you buy many things there. And here, our 20th question. Can you read this book?
When is the best time your hometown city country?
Okay, when I go there, book, what is the best time? Or when is the best time I can go there? What month?
It in the weekend
Oh, the weekend. Why? Why in the weekend, book?
because it is comfortable.
Oh, because it's so comfortable. And is there many like parade or selling fruits or clothes there, book during weekends?
Yes,
Oh, I see. So it's very good time to go there during weekend. And next one, can you read our 21 question book?
to interest people in your town city in a flat house.
Oh, where does your people there book live in a like in the land area or in the building?
Yes,
Where do they live?
in
What is it again?
live in building
Oh, so they live in the building, I see. So many people there live in the building. Why book? Why they are living in the building?
because it's comfortable for them.
Oh, I see, because it's very comfortable for them. So that is the reason why. And here, our 22 question. Can you read this book?
The giant house in your country.
Yes. Can you describe a book?
Um, in a country, it is in my country. It is cool. The building, the building is very beautiful.
Oh, so that's all book. Do you want to add more?
No,
Okay. So does your house there has the same style? Like they have the roof like this or like this or the color of the houses there? What is usually the color of the houses there? You can see.
it's very many color.
Oh, so they have many color. I see. And does your houses there so big or they have like a medium size houses you can see there.
It's very modest.
Oh, I see. So they have your you have your
It's
modest.
very modest.
Oh, so that is the houses there you can see. Thank you, Book, for answering our 22nd question. 22nd question for today, Book. So now let's proceed to the the next part of this. So can you read where which part we are in, Book? Can you read this? What part we are?
It is art at work. People usually begin to work in your country.
Yeah, so we are
It
in our
is
work job.
15,
What?
15 years old.
15 years old? 1 5? Book? 1 5?
Yes.
Oh. So what work does a 15 years old do, Book, in your country?
It is many people.
Oh, so it's many work that a 15 years old can do. Is it right?
Yes,
Oh, I see. And here, can you read this book in our second question?
at what I do before you stay retire in your country.
Okay, so can you read this again, book? This is retire.
Retire.
Yes. So, what age does people there, um, what they call this, stop working, book, in your country? What age do they stop working?
Is 60, 70.
Oh, 70, 7 and 0? Is it right?
Yes,
Oh, so that is your
yes.
retiring age there. I see. That's a good age. And here, can you read our third question, book?
Do people sometimes have to work overtime? If so, how often?
Do you think?
No,
Okay,
no,
so why? Why no?
because it
Because it is. Go
because
on.
because it is very tired and bored.
Oh, so they don't have overtime work there. So that is the reason. Okay, I see that that is the reason why did they have overtime. So in the fourth question, book, can you read this? Can you read the fourth question? Book, can you read? Can you hear me? Book. Wait, I will translate it here. Book, can you hear me?
Phúc, cậu có nghe thấy tớ không?
Book. Book, can you hear me, Book? Can you hear me?
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay, I see. It's good that you came back. And here, can you read our fourth question, Book?
It's more important to make a lot of money or to enjoy your job.
What do you think,
It's
Book?
enjoy your job because enjoy your job and I am hardworking and I have a lot of money.
Oh, so I agree with you with that, Book. Enjoy your job. So, what job do you want in the future, Book?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. But do you want a job that you enjoy it, doing it?
Yes,
Oh, so if you enjoy your job, Book, what will happen?
is I have hardworking and I have many money.
Oh, so you'll be hardworking and you'll be having a hard uh make a lot of money. That's correct too. And here, next one, can you read our fifth question, Book?
Do you think women are good boss or they woman boss in your country? No, it's boy.
Oh,
It's
so what is it again? Boy, is it right? Man?
Yes.
Oh, so what do you
Yes.
think? What do you think, Poke? Is it woman a good bosses too? What do you think?
It's no, because the woman is the small voice and a man have a voice.
Oh, so that's the reason why women cannot be bosses. I see. And why do you think a man is good bosses, Poke?
Because the man is have a big voice.
Oh, so they have a big voice? And okay, and do you think boys is good in planning, Poke?
Yes.
Why? Why do you think it?
Because they have a big voice.
Oh, so because they have a big voice. So what if you have a big voice, Poke? What will happen?
Is louder and many manager will will listen.
Oh, so they will listen if you have a big voice. I see. And here, next one, our sixth question. Can you read this book? Our sixth question.
The father, what does your father do for a living? Does your father work on Sunday and weekend?
Okay, first, what does your father do, po?
He is a soccer player.
Oh, your father is a soccer player? Is that right?
Yes,
Oh. And does your father work on Sunday or weekend, po?
he's it at the weekend.
Oh, so it's only in weekends. So Sunday, your father also work.
Yes.
Oh, I see. So your father also work at the Sunday. And now, here our 10th question, po. Can you read this?
Uh, what time does your father your mother stop finish work?
Okay,
It
what?
is my father is 11 o'clock.
Oh. So your father starts working at
11, 11 o'clock.
11 o'clock, is it right?
Finish.
Oh,
Finish.
finish. Okay, your mother, what time start working?
It is 7 o'clock.
Oh, it's 7 o'clock. And what time it will be finished?
She is 5 o'clock.
Oh, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I see. That's a
And
good.
my mother is 11 o'clock in the evening.
Oh, 11 o'clock. And what time does your father start working?
It's 7 o'clock.
Oh, it's also 7 o'clock. It's like when your mother. I see. And here in our 11th question, can you read this book?
Ah, how does she go to work?
Oh, how does your father go to work, po?
Uh, he goes by the car.
Oh, your mother, po. What does your mother go to work?
Is the motorbike.
Oh, a motorbike. And do they eat breakfast before they go to work, po?
Yes.
And what time is it? You eat your breakfast there.
It is 7:15.
In the morning, is it right?
Yes.
Oh, 7:50 in the morning. I see. And here our next is, can you read our 12 question book?
How long it take him to go to work?
How long it takes your father go to work book from your home to her workplace?
30 minutes.
Oh, 12 minutes, is that right book?
Yes.
And your mother, how long it takes to go to her workplace?
It 20 minutes.
Oh, I see. So it takes a minute to go to their homework. And here, so I see. So you will be there in your home. And our 13th question, can you read this book?
How long has your father mother been working as a present job?
How long has your father working at his job book? Your father.
Uh,
How many years or months like that?
it is, um,
Okay, it is. Go on.
16 hours.
Oh, 16 hours. So can you tell me like years, how many years or how many months your father working there?
It is once a week.
Okay, it's once a week. Once a week or 1 year?
Once a week.
Okay, once a week. And your mother Pook, how long your mother been working there?
It's every day.
Oh, I see. So it's so they go to their workplace every day. And here, can you read this book?
What? Uh, how long has your father mother been working at his present job?
The number 14 book, the number 14.
How
Wait,
much
here.
money does secretary worker teacher get by per month?
Do you know it book?
I
How?
think no. I don't
Oh,
know.
you don't know. But do you think book? What do you think? How much money they make? What do you think?
I think it is $25.
Oh, so $25 is per month? Is that right? Book per month?
Yes.
Okay, so they get $25 per month. And can you read our 15 question book?
How well does your father get along with his boss?
What do you think?
Uh, my father is boss.
Yes, do they get along
My
well?
father, my father is boss.
Oh, your father is the boss. Is it right, book?
Yes.
And does your father um get along well with the employees he has?
Yes.
Okay, I see. See that your father is a good boss there. And here in our 16th question, can you read this book?
It is easy to find job in your country. Um,
What do you think, book?
um, yes,
Yes, why? Why do you think it is easy to find job in your country?
because it is easy.
Oh, it is easy. Is there many jobs there, book?
Yes.
Oh, so that is the reason why it is easy. So I see that we are running out of time today, Pook, during our class. So good job for answering our questions today. And I will say my goodbye for today's class, Pook. Bye bye, Pook. Good night.
But
Bye bye. See you again. Good night.